I found out about you through my amazing optometrist, and I've been working on vision improvement for many years, but when I was introduced to your program and you, it's changed my life. I look up now when I walk and I notice so many more things. I'm always aware of the sky. It's definitely improved my vision. I already have a lesser prescription to drive. My husband and I never wear glasses anymore when we play tennis, and it's so cool. I never wear glasses when I ride my bike. I have to wear them doing certain things like driving, but it's just, I love the freedom of the feeling of the air and the earth being directly in contact with my eyes, my beautiful eyes that you've made me aware of and learned to love, and that is really remarkable.